Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we will discuss how to make an inventory warning in NetSuite. To set inventory warnings, go to Home and click Set Preferences. Navigate to the Transactions tab and click Inventory Level Warning. This enables users to see warnings when selling inventory items with quantities at or below their reorder points. Click Save to apply and save the preferences. I have a sample item here, and my reorder point is set to auto-calculate. Under the Locations sub-tab, you can see that I have no on-hand or available quantity for this item. Let's now test the inventory warning that we have set. On a sales order, add the inventory item. You can see that a pop-up appeared, warning us that there is no available quantity to fulfill the order. You can also enable negative inventory validation to display inventory warnings for negative inventory. To do this, navigate to Lists, Enhanced Validations, Enable Validations. Click New. Select Negative Inventory Validation in the Transaction Validation Type field. You may then select the transaction where you want to apply the negative inventory validation. Click Save to enable the validation, and that's how you set up an inventory warning in NetSuite. Thank you for watching.